Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of net worth. This is standard 7.13c in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 31 off the 2021 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a table here, and we've got Avery's net worth statement. And Avery's net worth is, they give it to us down here. Let's go ahead and put that up here. $53,755. So we need to use information on the table to figure out what is the current value of Avery's car. You notice how that's missing right here. Well, how do we figure out what net worth is? Well, net worth is pretty simple. You're going to take your assets. So those are the things that you can cash out for that are giving you value, that are positives, really. And then you're going to take away your liabilities. So these are the things that you owe money on. These are debts. And that's really what net worth is. You take all your assets, you add them up, take all your liabilities, add those up, and then subtract the two. So we're missing an asset here. We're assuming it's an asset here. Could be a negative if it's a liability. But let's just see what we have so far. We have bank accounts. That's positive. So I'm going to label that over here as my asset. So I've got a positive $3,900 in my bank account, so I could cash that out if I needed to. We've got real estate, all right, so maybe we own a house, or we own a business, or we own some kind of land. $37,425. Doing a lot of adding here, so we got to make sure we line everything up correctly. And investments. We don't know what we're investing in, but if we needed to cash out on those investments, got this, $4,600. So those are our assets. And let's just see what we get if we add them all up. So we get 5, 2, that's 1019, that's 1015. All right, so we've got assets of $45,925. Now, let's see what our liabilities are. These are the negatives. These are the debts that we know of so far. And I'm just going to add those up. Even though they're negative, I'll add those up. Then I'll end up subtracting them. So we've got the credit card debt, $2,950. And student loans. Okay, that's it. Not a whole lot of liabilities unless that car happens to be a liability. I don't think it is, because look at your answers, A, B, C, or D. None of them are negative, which means it's going to end up being an asset, because they list your liabilities as negatives. So that's 0, 50, that's 16. All right, so 4650. All right, so let's see what we have right here. If I were to just take my current assets and my liabilities and subtract the two, I'm going to get 45,925. 4,650. So if I'm not including my car, my net worth is going to be those two subtracted from each other. It's 5, 7, 2. All right, so 41,275. But they already gave us that right there. So all I need to do is see how far away those two are, and that will give me the value of my car. So my real net worth is $53,755, not including the car. It's this $41,275. Subtract the two, we're going to get the value of that missing car. 6, it's 8, it's 4, 2, 12. All right, so our missing car is $12,480 D.